Welcome back to my YouTube channel Auto Smartphone, and today we are diving into one of the most talked about smartphones of 2026, the Vivo V26 Pro 5G. Vivo has completely shaken the mid-range and near flagship market with this launch, because what you're getting here feels almost unreal for the price. A massive 24GB RAM, a stunning 220 megapixels camera, 512GB storage, and full 5G connectivity, all wrapped in a budget-friendly package. This phone is clearly designed for users who want premium power without paying premium money. The moment you look at the Vivo V26 Pro 5G, it feels elegant and modern. Vivo has gone with a sleek glass finish, curved edges, and a slim profile that makes the phone look expensive in the hand. The back panel reflects light beautifully, and the camera module is bold yet stylish, instantly giving flagship vibes. Despite packing huge internals, the phone remains comfortable to hold and well-balanced, which is impressive engineering. On the front, Vivo delivers a breathtaking AMOLED display that takes your viewing experience to another level. Colors are vibrant, blacks are deep, and brightness is strong enough for outdoor use. Whether you're watching YouTube, Netflix, gaming, or scrolling social media, everything feels smooth and immersive. The high refresh rate makes animations fluid, and touch response is quick, which gamers and heavy users will absolutely love. Now let's talk about the headline feature, the 220 megapixels camera. This is where Vivo truly flexes its muscles. The main camera captures insane levels of detail, allowing you to zoom in without losing clarity. Daylight photos look sharp, colorful, and professionally balanced, while night photography is equally impressive with advanced AI night processing. Low-light shots come out brighter with reduced noise, making this phone a strong competitor to far more expensive flagship devices. Portrait mode delivers natural background blur, edge detection is accurate, and skin tones look realistic. For video creators, the camera supports high-resolution video recording with excellent stabilization, making it perfect for YouTube, vlogging, and Reels. The front camera is no less impressive. Selfies are crisp, social media ready, and enhanced with smart AI beauty features that don't look overdone. Video calls look clear, and content creators will enjoy the sharpness and dynamic range for front-facing videos. Performance is another major highlight of the Vivo V26 Pro 5G. With up to 24GB of RAM, multitasking feels effortless. You can switch between heavy apps, games, and background tasks without any lag. Paired with a powerful 5G-ready processor, this phone handles gaming, video editing, and daily use like a beast. High-end games run smoothly at high graphics settings, and thermal management keeps the device cool even during long gaming sessions. Storage will never be a concern here, thanks to the massive 512GB internal storage. You can store thousands of photos, long 4K videos, heavy games, and large apps without ever worrying about running out of space. This makes the Vivo V26 Pro 5G ideal for power users, creators, and professionals. Battery life is strong and reliable, easily lasting a full day of heavy use. Vivo has optimized power consumption smartly, and fast charging support ensures you're back to 100% in no time. Just plug it in for a short while, and you're ready to go again, which is perfect for busy users. On the software side, Vivo's latest UI feels smooth, clean, and feature-rich. Animations are polished, customization options are plenty, and overall performance is stable. 5G connectivity ensures blazing fast internet speeds, future-proofing the phone for years to come. What truly makes the Vivo V26 Pro 5G special is its price. Offering flagship-level specs, like a 220 megapixels camera, 24GB RAM, and 512GB storage at a budget-friendly price is a bold move by Vivo. This phone is perfect for users who want maximum value, top-tier performance, and premium features without breaking the bank. In short, the Vivo V26 Pro 5G is a complete all-rounder that redefines what a budget-friendly flagship can be in 2026. If you're looking for power, camera excellence, massive storage, and future-ready 5G in one stylish package, this phone deserves a serious spot on your shortlist. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Auto Smartphone for more powerful smartphone reviews like this.